Zion ayeyeye aye ọ ga-akpọtụ na Abuja. So they are on their way now, going to Abuja. Wow, I'm on my way too. You're going to see me there. Zion, we move.
We are live in local airport heading to Abuja. Abuja 2022. Are you ready? Here we go. We're live at the airport. Sorry. So guys, Abuja, are you ready for us? Abuja, are you ready for us? So this is where we are. We are heading. And these are very like the workers. You can see GCC taking the forefront of this journey. So yeah. So Abuja, are you ready? Here we go. This is us here. Yeah, and you can see departure. We are not no time to play. We are live. We are live. These are the video team crew. Say hi. Hi. Hello. So guys, we are still here. Say hi. Hello. So guys, here we are. We are at the international airport, and this is the chief. So here we go. Live and the airport. So we are headed in now. Yeah, you can see people. We are all going in. The gallant made through. Everybody is going inside. So here we go. And here we go. Okay, we are international airport. The local airport heading to Abuja. And these are our team, the gallant men. They are fully prepared with their equipment to ensure that the venue is safe. So we're about to go in for our check-in. Okay, and that's it. For now, I'll be giving you updates on the events that is happening here. Okay, so and these are all Zionites. You can take a look at this. We are Zionites. We are coming up a full flight. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. So here we go. We're about to check in. I sit here. About to check in. Say hi. No. No, it's okay. It's fine. Okay, so we're about to check in. So I'm giving you up to date later, okay? SB. Jesus, say hi. Hi. How you doing? Are you working today? Representing media. So guys, you're going to take a wrap up right now, and please, who will hold this camera? I need to be on this video, please. You don't be like this. Hello, this way. So guys, we are taking a wrap up now, and we'll be coming back later. Stay tuned to us, follow, share, and like our page. Okay, so catch you guys later. Bye. Have a later.